We are Texas A&M University Commerce, located an hour and a half from Dallas on I-30. Texas A&M Commerce is in Commerce, Texas, and is home of the Lions. Our facility is located in the Charles J. Austin Engineering Technology Building. And now to introduce our team.
Italo Cruz, Senior Construction Engineering.
Tyler Culliver, Senior in Technology Management.
Joshua Hughes, Senior in Construction Engineering. Archer Ledesma, Junior in Construction Engineering.
Coy Warner, Junior in Construction Engineering.
George West, Senior in Technology Management.
The construction program here at TAMUC consists of two distinct Bachelor of Science degrees. The Technology Management degree emphasizes the business, accounting, and estimating coursework, while the Con-E course of study is an ABET accredited degree program preparing graduates for careers as professional engineers.
On day one, we received our 2D drawings. From there, we printed out the drawings on larger sheets of paper so we were able to get a better perspective of what's going on. We were able to create a brief analysis of the entire project by just looking at it, but then started getting deeper, pulling out the quantities and measuring dimensions. We were able to import the 2D drawings onto the computer so we get a better understanding of what was happening and what was going on. From there, we started creating our schedule. Our schedule comprised of our previous knowledge of working in the construction industry, which helped a lot. What we were doing is taking the quantities off the building, as you see here, and importing them into our Synchro program.
Starting with the basic schedule, a rough 2D schedule is drafted in Excel, comprised from poring over the 2D drawings. That schedule was then imported in the Synchro scheduler to create the master schedule to complete all activities and finish linking the tasks. We completed the schedule before receiving the 3D model, which was then used to create a 4D model by linking them together.
Times are changing. The era of printed drawings and Gantt charts are becoming a thing of the past. Once useful tools for the construction industry, they're now being continually upgraded every day. Most of these drawings are now being uploaded into computers using sophisticated apps like Synchro that further integrate the project with the trades associated within each project. We're still working in 2D with the training building, but now we have an entire new range of possibilities within these programs that Synchro offers us.
When we received the drawings, it was easy to see the lack of detail, so we knew this was going to be a fairly conceptual estimate. This in turn led to a conceptual 2D schedule. When a person lacking knowledge in the construction industry looks at drawings like these, the overall idea of the building can get fuzzy. Once we received the 3D model, we were able to create a more effective schedule since we were able to fill in the detail gaps from the 2D drawings.
Recently, many professionals have stated 2D project planning and scheduling is no longer relevant. We disagree with this assumption. 4D project planning and scheduling isn't possible without 2D, which makes it essential to 4D. There is no way to create a 4D schedule without the 2D aspect of the activities and Gantt charts working together.
We appended 3D DWF files into Navisworks to create a federated model. The clash detection report generated about 150 clashes, but not all those were problematic. For example, running clash protection between the foundation and structural steel systems came up on about 64 clashes between the steel plates and the concrete foundation. These are necessary in order to construct the building, but the clashes between MEP piping and penetrating through the middle of steel beams can create future potential problems.
Federating the models and assigning the interactivities allowed us to review the 2D schedule. We were able to analyze the created schedule and reevaluate our assumptions. And we started linking the structure model. For instance, the walls in the elevator shaft had to be divided to be poured by floor to accommodate our workflow. From the structure, we shifted towards the architectural model and so on.
Synchro gives us the necessary tools we need in order to create our project that incorporates our schedule with the 3D model. This has allowed our project to be better understood by those unaware of the project parameters, giving them a visual timeline of events that correlate throughout the project and its duration from the notice to proceed all the way to the final completion. We are Texas A&M University Commerce. Thanks for watching.